Add friends without Facebook in Subway Surfer. If you want to add friends in Subway Surfer but don't want to use Facebook, then you don't have to worry. Today, I will show you how to do it without Facebook. Right on your phone. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, you have to tap onto the friend icon. It's the one with the two characters standing together. Instead of Facebook, you can use Apple Game Page Center. If it asks to connect, just tap Allow. This will show your friend who plays Subway Surfer using Game Center. Now, any of your Game Center friend who plays Subway Surfer will automatically show up in your Friends tab. You don't need any friends, code or link. And that's how you add friend in Subway Surfer without Facebook. Complete, compare score and have more fun with your crew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.